Hi, scientists. Two further notes with regard to inquiring and designing. One related to describing the controlled variables. As you can see, presenting it in a table, such as is in the example in the Design Lab guide, is a very effective means of communicating your thinking. So go ahead and do it in this way. Please remember that we need to identify the variable, identify how it will be controlled, and then describe why that matters. And I want to make one improvement to what is listed here in this example. And you see it also has to include variables if it's something that is a measured variable. So in this situation, which was the example of how fast can we make ice melt, one variable that needed to be controlled was the type of water. Was it tap water, distilled water, mineral water, etc.? There's lots of ways you could choose the water type. In this case, the student has identified that it is distilled water that is going to be always used to control for the fact that different sources of water may include impurities that could impact the rate of melting. One improvement this student could add is how the impurities impact the rate. Does a large amount of impurities increase the rate? Does a large amount of impurities slow the rate? So being specific about the impact that leaving this variable uncontrolled and therefore why it would lead to confusion with the impact of the investigation is an important piece to add in here. Further, simply stating that different types of water melt at different rates is absolutely not enough information. The second piece that I forgot to say in the other screencast was, what is the L in peel? In your explanation using scientific reasoning, it is important to include references. So find new information, new reference material that helps to explain what it is you are arguing in your hypothesis, and link to include a reference to that information. In a further screencast, we will review APA citation conventions, because that is an area that we all need to practice.